Do you consider yourself a creative person? Or are you one of those who think, creativity isn't for me? That's for artists, inventors, people born with a special gift. If you relate to the second group, I have news that might change the way you see yourself. You were born creative. Yes, you. And it's not just me saying that. Psychology has a lot to tell us about this genius that often lies hidden inside, just waiting for a little spark to awaken it. Let's take creativity down from its marble pedestal, like it's something rare or unreachable. Being creative doesn't necessarily mean painting a masterpiece or inventing something that will change the world. Creativity, at its core, is our ability to solve problems in new ways, to generate original ideas, to connect unrelated things, to find different paths through everyday challenges. It's the mother who creates a game with whatever's around, the professional who finds an innovative way to present a project, the person who whips up a delicious recipe with whatever is in the fridge. Creativity is a fundamental human skill. It's how we adapt, innovate, and express who we are. If we're born creative, where did that spark go? Think of a small child. They are a factory of creativity. They explore, ask questions, invent, take risks, imagine freely. We're born with that spark bubbling inside. But then what happens along the way that seems to dim that light? Fear of judgment. As we grow up, we start to care too much about what others think. What if my idea sounds silly? What if they laugh at me? Fear of failure and criticism throws cold water on our creative fire. Pressure to get it right. Many times, our education system, or how we were raised, values the one correct answer over the joy of exploring multiple possibilities and divergent thinking. Rigid routines and autopilot living. Adult life often places us in automatic mode. Same tasks, same thoughts, and that dulls curiosity and experimentation. The harsh inner critic, that annoying little voice inside our head saying, "This isn't good enough. You're not cut out for this. Better quit now." The good news is, your creative genius is still there. The best part? This hidden genius isn't gone forever. It can be rekindled, nurtured, awakened, and psychology offers us some powerful keys to unlock it. Adopt a growth mindset. As a psychologist, Carol Dweck teaches us, see creativity not as a fixed trait, but a skill that improves with effort, play, and continuous learning. Challenge the belief that either you have it or you don't. Reconnect with your inner curious child. Allow yourself to play more, explore without the pressure of perfection. Curiosity is the fuel of creativity. Ask why and what if more often. Mix things, break rules, follow joy. Think outside the box, literally. Challenge your own thinking patterns. Use tools like brainstorming or mind mapping to stretch your ideas. Force connections between unrelated things. Many creative breakthroughs live in the unexpected. Make peace with creative mistakes. Many inventions and masterpieces came from happy accidents or failed experiments that led to new doors. In creative work, mistakes aren't failures, they're feedback. Create time and space for creativity. Creativity needs breathing room. Block time in your calendar, even 15 minutes, and find a spot where you can explore freely. Maybe listening to music, walking in nature, journaling, drawing, cooking, whatever helps your mind wander. Creativity in everyday life. Waking up your hidden genius doesn't mean becoming the next Picasso or Einstein overnight. It means living with more originality, more flow, more of your essence, in small and big ways. How you decorate your desk, how you solve a family issue, how you tell a story, cook a meal, or express your emotions. Creativity can show up anywhere. Your creative power is still there. Maybe dusty, maybe shy, but it's there. It's waiting for you to invite it to play again. No matter your age, your job, or your past, you are a creative being. What's one small, creative mischief or mental experiment you'll try this week to reawaken your hidden genius? Share in the comments, and let us know where in your life you'd love to inject a spark of creativity. If this message helped you look at your creativity with more love and confidence, hit that like button, share this video with someone who says, I wasn't born creative, and subscribe for more soul-stirring content like this. Until next time.